In this video, we're going to name the following by using prefixes. So first thing we need to do is you need to write all those prefixes. So these are the prefixes. Prefixes are mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. Mono means one subscript, di means two subscript, tri means three subscript, tetra means four subscript, penta means 5, hexa means 6, hepta means 7, octa means 8, 9 means nona, deca means 10. Okay, so let's begin letter A. So in letter A, they have an N2O. So letter A, N2O. So 2 subscript, which means di. So di, nitrogen, oxide. Okay, how about in letter B? In letter B, they have an NO2. So NO2 is equals the nitrogen, 2 means di. So dioxide. Okay. In letter C, they have an N2O5. N2O5 is equals to di, nitrogen, pentaoxide. So 5. 5 means pen. Okay. Pentaoxide. Okay. Take note, they have a 2 vowel letters, A and O. So we need to cancel out A. So equals, we write again, di, nitrogen, pentoxide. Okay, how about in letter D? In letter D, phosphorus, PCl3. So phosphorus, trichloride. In letter E, how about letter E? E is NO. So E, NO. So nitrogen, oxide. That's letter E. And letter F, what is the letter F? N2O4. 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 So di, nitrogen, tetraoxide. Take note again, they have a 2 vowel letters, so cancel letter A. So write again, di, nitrogen, tetroxide. How about letter G? Letter G is P2O5. So letter G, P2O5 is equals to 2 subscripts, so di, phosphorus, Diphosphorus pent, so 5. Pentaoxide. So they have 2 vowel letters, ayan o, cancel out A. So write again, diphosphorus, phosphorus pentoxide. Okay. And how about letter H? PCl5. And letter H, PCl5. So PCl5 is equals to 1 subscript, which is phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, that's it. Then I have a take note. Take note, mono can be used in carbon, just like carbon monoxide. So this name is carbon monoxide. Okay, that's a take note. Okay, that's it. Please like and subscribe.